far as if you are going up in a hotel, we didn't get this. Also, let's find out. Huh?
So better I am not for back, night or time. So better how man I would do. Muntia come with some better. That's about 2 days, Anna. 2 days, much of a day with Mother. I want to
what's your problem now?
Our problem is catch them.
Your problem is me from ways and I'm doing some about 2 days. Me do because I was more to see.
So what do you want?
100 year brand, you win. Go to Amrewa. So bad, I want and we are 12. No. 1, 2, 3.
Now the next day.
Now they so time much as about 12 by MP. That's what more
Madam,
what is that? I would like to speak to you. So what you rented 2 days and I said. What's it? You rented 2 days and I said.
1 day, massa. Yeah, buy no.
Oh, you get any 1 2.
Shut the fuck up.
Brody, now I didn't know. Say, hotel her night. So better. Now, dear China, I dear China with 12 o'clock came. What time also for the whole of the day?
Then you are stupid. Why?
You are also stupid.
You better talk to your guys.
Hello.
This one.
Shut the fuck up. What the fuck up?
You fucking me out.
What the
You fuck me out.
It's okay, let me handle
Who's your boss? Who's your boss?
Our boss is here. And this is boss bodyguard.
Hey, if you don't take time, you'll be fired. Keep quiet. I tell you. Keep quiet.
You're telling say you're renting. I think say yesterday or and your time as soon as you walk here.
That's your casa. Soon you walk. Soon you walk. Yesterday, you don't talk when you say that.
They say they're not gonna allow us to step out.
Yes.
And who the hell do you think?
Boss, watch them. I actually, you must watch them with your mind.
Who does it feel that? This is
No. Listen. This is a hotel.
Boss, me now, they say, more better Handra.
This is a hotel. We don't disturb over here.
More better Handra. Hotel today, you need to show better now. They're 12 for our time. I show you can boss. 12 for about my mother, so that then you want to know we are 2. Munchia double money, I'm going to say, but
no insult.
You better talk to your guys.
Okay. Over there, 12 o'clock, you have to wake up 12 exactly.
yes.
Yeah, about 2 hours, you have to pay extra.
Yes.
Okay.
Wait. That be what can say because I'm clarifying.
I'm coming. And then you first time the hotel.
Oh, daddy. I think talk for him.
That question.
One day now hotel ka woni mu asaway. So ya na hotel pa. Hey, what it? Say, now there is a no person will be sound.
Ah, madam baby.
Oh. You buy a 24 hours. And yet 12 hours or 24 hours. You buy 12 a.m. Until you say free and net 12 a.m. 12 p.m. And 24 hours and yet 12 hours.
When I bet you hotel.
I don't know someone who will tell you.
Hey,
Daddy. That will fight. Daddy, special. Let's not funny.
Lock the gate. Yes.
You better drive inside.
You have to pay extra money.
Yes.
We're not going to pay anything.
Everything.
You better call your policeman.
Everything is under control. Listen to me. Everything is under control. We need to handle the case to the police.
Yes.
If you don't pay extra money. Check out. Hey. Let the gate.
what did you mean? What did you mean? Police. Hello. Hey, madam. Madam, are you? Oh, my Messia.
Wait. So, boss. Now, so now,
how much you have to pay in this? 120 Ghana.
No.
So you have to
No. Let me give me your account number. Give me your account number.
That one
in traffic.
I said, give me
Oh, if you like it, turn up, you pay before you go. Oh, and you didn't even go
to guys in the salmon or mamma, the limits of a bed of so many. Let's go.
Wait, please. You have to pay. I just 2 hours spend a bit. I have 360. That is a very penny. Why am I going to say?
No. Why are you Let me forward it to them.
When you're some police for a police.
Listen to me.
If you're not ready to collect we are going
go to
your father's house.
You know what? Or whatever. We can pay for the law. You know.
Very. Let me settle this and let go.
When I'm making
Okay. And you say the amount?
360.
Check.
What? We're not gonna pay 350 cities. We're not gonna pay. No.
But you should come and call me.
Young boy, what day? I never did some moves. I only saw I said, what is I say? Bema say, what man take ya?
I'm a woman.
Boss, me name said, I'm not for you.
Some people want to one friend,
look, when you are telling, we visited bar. I don't know about
You know, I forgot my condom there.
What?